Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the Baby Nasal Aspirator, an electric nose sucker designed with your baby's comfort in mind. Featuring 5 adjustable suction levels for gentle and effective relief. This device is not only hygienic and easy to clean, thanks to its professionally designed structure, but it's also safe and BPA-free with 3 soft food-grade silicone tips to protect your newborn's delicate nasal cavity. Plus, it's portable and travel-friendly, coming with a convenient storage box so you can take it anywhere and use it anytime. Remember, while the aspirator is durable, the inside isn't waterproof, so always remove the storage box and silicone suction head for cleaning, and be cautious of water intrusion to maintain its longevity. Regular use is recommended to keep the battery in good condition, ensuring the aspirator remains a reliable tool for your baby's needs. With soothing light and nursery rhymes, this nasal aspirator not only clears your baby's nose but also helps calm them during use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.